Hi there, my name is Dave Delgado with Delgado Realty, and I sell homes not probably the way you think. I wanted to just let you know that I'm actually in the process of shipping out a free report titled Things You Need to Know Before You Put Your Home on the Market. These are absolutely critical things that buyers want to know when you decide to put your home on the market. These buyers want to know about your home, and I developed this free special report that I could mail out to you. You know, this reminds me of a time where I put this home on the market and people just don't have time for do-overs. You know, you want to get it done once and you only want to do it one time only. There's no time for that. It's a stressful process. I want to eliminate all that stress that comes on to putting a home on the market. But just give me a call and I'll get this free report mailed out to you as quickly as possible with no obligation to ever do anything. It's free. Just give me a call at the office, 562-252-7889. And also, just keep in mind, because this reminds me of a time where, you know, I got a phone call where somebody put their home on the market. It didn't sell. I get these phone calls all the time, and they feel a little frustrated. They don't know what to do, what happened, and they did not sell their house. You know, nobody has time for that, and that's why I came up with this free report. A matter of fact, I just came from an appointment, same situation. Put the home on the market, didn't sell. We just got it back on the market. And I am very confident this thing's going to sell very fast, very quick, without any hassles or anything like that. But again, you need to get the copy of the free report, and I'll certainly get it right out to you as quickly as possible. If you know anybody that's looking to make a move or anything like that could benefit from this free report, I would really appreciate it. Maybe like this video or even share it. Maybe there's somebody else that might be able to benefit from this. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Every real estate agent will promise to sell your home, but I guarantee it. Hi, I'm David Delgado, and I guarantee in writing to sell your home at a price and time frame you agree to, or I'll buy it myself. Because we sell more homes than any other team in Metro Los Angeles, we can do more to sell your home fast and for more money. My clients' homes sell on average for 2.4% more and twice as fast. If you're not happy, fire me. You will be happy. That's why I've been selected as one of the top 200 real estate agents in the country. To discuss the sale of your home, visit my website or call me today.